Robin from City Sewing again in New York City, www.citysewing.com. This time I have a Singer machine. This machine just came in today. It's a nice machine. It looks complete. Everything looks good. But the problem that this machine is that when I turn the wheel, the hook is not moving. So the needle is going up and down, correct, but the actually rotating hook is not moving at all. Here is that Singer machine that came in. That machine came in because the customer is saying that the machine is not picking up the thread. And I want to show you, when I turn the hand wheel, you can see I'm turning the hand wheel. I want to show you how the needle is actually going up and down, as you can see. But the actually hook is not moving. See, the hook is not moving right here. This hook should be turning. This metal part should be turning. See, it's not turning. So that means something broken inside, or maybe the belt is broken, or maybe a gear is broken. I'm gonna open it up and check it out. We'll show you after, okay? The machine now, the machine that I'm working on it, I told you when I turn the hand wheel, look at this. This is completely off. The hook is not moving at all. As you can see here, nothing moved. The hand wheel, everything moving right. I'm gonna show you now what I just found out. This is something really I never expected before. The belt here is good, but that machine has, instead of a gear, this has a belt that drive this top shaft right here, drive the bottom shaft. When you turn the wheel, this belt here goes inside and the belt attaches to the wheel here, and when you turn the hand wheel, the belt moves the belt on the bottom, and that's how you get the shaft to be moving. But look at this. This is crazy. It looks like, I'm going to show you later, how the belt pop out of the bottom gear and just jump up. Look at this. Look what I found, the belt over here. Look at the belt here. And it's not broken. I don't think it's broken, no. You see? I'm pulling the whole belt. So what happened is that the actually belt fell off or came out of the gear on the bottom, and it just popped right up here. See how everything is up here now? It's crazy. I never saw that before. So what I need to do is I gotta find something, bring the belt all the way down. I took the belt now, I hook it up on the top, and then hook it on the bottom right here. See the gear now? It's moving together perfectly fine, but I have to time in the machine now to make sure that I time it right. I have now the wrench right here that I'm gonna loose the screw. I'm gonna loose that screw, then I'm gonna turn it and loose that one. After I loose those screws, the one that moved the hook right over there, you see that? This is the shaft and this is the gear. So I'm gonna loosen both of the screw. One of them I'm gonna leave a little bit of it tight, because what I just want to turn the actually hook back a little bit and then retighten everything back. I'm now finished making everything tight. My hook is right. Everything seems to be turning okay. I'm turning the wheel by hand. Everything looks good. The timing looks perfectly fine right over there. So I like the way it is set up. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the machine and put everything back together and do some sew test on it, and I show you. Okay, I just finished the machine now. I'm gonna make some samples and stitching so I show you. This is the machine that came in, that the belt actually came off that gear on the bottom. It was all wrapped around, so I just finished it up. I'm gonna make some sample stitches so you can see exactly how it looks like, okay? Thank you for watching. This is Robin from City Sewing in www.citysewing.com. Please subscribe to our channel so you can see and do the machine just like the doctor does. Robin from City Sewing. The machine now I just finished. Look at that. It looks nice, huh? Came out very nice. It's making beautiful stitches.